Okay, so if we look at these answer choices, right, we have two things being tested, right? If you look at A and B have the verb was, and C and D have the verb were, right? And then we have that B and C have a comma right here, and A and D do not, right? So whatever's going to be easier for you, right? So one thing I always say is like no commas right before prepositions, right? The only time you'd want a comma in front of a preposition is if it were being used as like a set. So we only have one comma in this sentence, so we do not want to put one right before this preposition here, by, right? Because it's like, it was underestimated by the economist, not it was underestimated, comma, by the economist. So don't put commas in front of prepositions unless it's being used as possibly a set of commas, right? Okay, so now the difference between the answer choices we have left is we have were and we have was. So when you see verb agreement and as the difference between answer choices, you have to be really careful, right? Because most people, oftentimes, more often than not, you have a subject and then you have a verb right after it, right? But not always. Sometimes we have a subject, right? And then we have a dependent clause in the middle, or maybe some like prepositional phrases right here, and then your verb, right? And that's what's happening here, right? So our subject here is, we have what was underestimated, it's the significance, and then we have these prepositional phrases of changes in the rates of unemployment. We want to get rid of those prepositional phrases and know exactly what our subject is. So the significance, which would be it, would we say it was or it were underestimated? We'd say it was, right? Again, get rid of prepositional phrases between your subject and your verb, and you'll be left with answer choice A.